Remote Control Romance, how to put massive spark back in your relationships with text messages. Remote Control Romance. Do you think men are complicated? If you do, you're not alone. Most women seem to think that men should come with an instruction manual, or that getting a man to be romantic is as hard as getting lasting peace in the Middle East. But thousands of women are discovering that waking up the secret romantic in their man is as easy as hitting a few buttons on their cell phone and sending a few special messages that have been proven again and again to work wonders. Why men aren't romantic. The fact is, most men secretly crave romance at least as much as you do, but they're either too distracted, too emotionally closed off, or too shy to tell you how they feel, or to sweep you off your feet. But simply by using a few text messages sent from your average cell phone, you can give him permission to be unapologetically romantic, to open up and tell you how he really feels, and to take you back in a relationship time machine, so you love each other and lust after each other like you did when you first met. Incredible video. If you want to learn more, go watch this short but eye-opening video by relationship expert Michael Fiore. In the video you learn the real reason romance dies in most relationships. The 3 things your man needs from you in order to open up to his secret romantic desires. And how to use tiny little text messages to turn your guy into a bona fide Prince Charming, even if he's a total romantic numbskull now. This Text the Romance Back method has been featured on The Rachel Ray Show and has helped tens of thousands of women around the world. It sounds shocking, but it really does work. Watch the video now. To learn how to text the romance back into your relationship and to get 3 free magic texts you can use right now, click the link in my video description below and watch this video right away.